Lisa Armstrong is set to splash out on a swimming pool and gym following her divorce from Ant McPartlin, according to reports. The makeup artist, 45, is said to have drawn up plans for a pool, gym, gazbo and outhouse in the grounds of her new £3.8 million home. According to the Mirror, Lisa has submitted a planning application to her local council and is excitedly looking to the future following her £31 million divorce from Ant McPartlin. A source told the publication, "It has been a really upsetting and obviously distressing few years, but Lisa has bounced back and is firmly looking forward." Lisa moved into her new home last year. The stunning house is semi-detached and has an impressive 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 2 cloakrooms set across 3 floors. The kitchen doors open into Lisa's 226-feet garden, which she hopes to transform if her plans are approved by the council, that backs onto the River Thames. Lisa recently shared several pictures of her beautiful pad with fans. The former Deuce star took some snaps of her lovely home over Christmas, before giving her followers another glimpse on Instagram once she had taken down her decorations. Lisa, who is head of hair and makeup on Strictly Come Dancing, split from husband Ant McPartlin in January 2018 after 23 years together. Following a bitter legal battle, the pair eventually agreed on a £31 million divorce settlement. Prior to moving into her new house, removal men were seen packing up Lisa's items from her £5 million former marital home. The star had previously dumped unwanted possessions on the street for passers-by to take. Lisa has since found love with electrician James Green, 37, who she went public with in August 2020.